A model steamboat named Edith, part 34, in the bath with Edith. If you saw episode 1, when I first floated the boat in the bath, it sank to the bottom. I'm hoping it's not going to do that now. With the help of my friend Jonathan, we carefully placed the boat in the bath, and it's sitting quite well. It's listing a bit to one side. That's because the engine has the water pump assembly on one side. So it's time to cut some sheet lead to ballast the boat and get it to sit level and to the waterline. Before I continue, I would just like to tell you something. When I went into my YouTube channel this morning, that's on the 25th of September 2018, every one of my videos has been demonetized, which means I do not make anything from the advertising on the channel. And I don't know why this has happened, because I don't have any copyright infringements. All the music on here I produce myself, it's original music, and I make the videos myself. And I try and make one every day, so this is not good at all for me. The time is now 7 AM, I get up very early to voice over the video in the studio. The good news is, the videos are still going to be going up onto YouTube, but until my channel monetization is reinstated, the videos are only going to be viewable by my Patreon supporters. And the Patreon address is on screen at the moment, and it can cost as little as $1 a month. You can pledge more than that if you wish, but $1 a month is the minimum. That's $12 a year to see a model steam video almost every day. I can't say I'm very happy about this state of affairs. I don't know what I've done to deserve it, and I'm going to attempt to phone America and speak to YouTube this afternoon. Wish me luck on that. It says on YouTube that I can reapply for the partner program on the 24th of October, but thankfully nothing has changed for my Patreon supporters, and I thank you very much for your support in the past. As soon as the monetization is reapplied, the videos will be public once again. So now let's get on with the steam test. Here's the boat in the water. There's about £40 per square inch in the boiler, and I'm opening the regulator on the radio control unit. And off it goes. This is a great engine. It doesn't need drain cocks, it always starts. It only goes in one direction though, that's the big problem. Well, is it a big problem? With a rudder that size, this boat will turn on a sixpence, so it's probably going to be fine. With the boat in this small bath, all I can really do is use the rudder to move it from side to side in the water, which it does very well. In this clip, I'm going to press down on the front of the boat to lift the prop out of the water. Initially I put the lead inside the stern of the boat, but it was too heavy, so I've just temporarily put it on the stern of the boat, and the good news is I don't need to use any ballast. I need to take out some of the lead ballast that I put in the bow of the boat in front of the water tank. There is a minor problem as well. There is some water coming into the boat. Despite all the glass fibre, it's coming in around the wooden support for the boiler. It's only a very small amount of water, but I'll use some sealant to stop this. If you've been following this series, you will know how bad this hull was to start with. There were a lot of cracks in the plates, and the front of it was split. But thanks to some time and effort, not to mention the glass fibre resin and the glass fibre itself, the boat is now much stronger than it ever was, and apart from these very small weeps around the wooden part where I couldn't really glass fibre, everything's looking good really. On the mechanical front, the engine's running really well, and the propeller that I've fitted to it is the perfect size. It's producing plenty of thrust without over-revving the engine. For steaming purposes, the boat is going to have to be run with the front hatch removed, so that the gas burner can get plenty of air. Gas cut-off test. Well, the gas cut-off works, as you can hear, so I'm just going to leave the rest of the video without narration so you can hear the engine running in the bath. And I would like to apologise for the inconvenience for the free YouTube viewers, but it's the only thing I can do. I cannot make these videos completely for free. They take an awful lot of my time to make. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful. My friend Jonathan, who helped me test the boat, took some really nice pictures with his camera. So I thought I would include them here as a bit of an extra feature. And everything was going well until he took a picture of me. Then the camera lens cracked,